Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Few days ago, Meta released one of the most powerful open source large language model, Llama 3.1. Today I want to show you how to run it using AMD GPU. You may know that there are three versions, 8 billion, 70 billion, and 405 billion. So the 405 billion is really big. It requires about 200 gigabytes of VRAM. So I'm not able to run it using my current GPU. I would rather to run the 8 billion model. And one of the easiest way to run the 8 billion model is to use the Ollama. Please refer to my previous tutorial on how to install Ollama. For AMD GPU, you would need the ROCm 6.0 version. So make sure that you install that. I also have the ROCm installation video. Please refer to that too. So as you can see, I have the ROCm 6.1 version installed. Alright, so once you also have the Ollama installed, you go to the Llama 3.1 model, and you see that you have three options. So if you have really a big RAM or VRAM, you can try the 405 billion. So for now, I will use the 8 billion. So copy that and go back to your terminal, paste that, and press enter. Alright, so as you can see, it loaded it successfully, and I can start send a message to the 3.1 model. And if you want to see how fast it is, you can add a flag, press enter. Tells about model 100 words. Yeah, we see that the GPU is at 90% utilization, and the VRAM is about 6 gigabytes. And we see the speed is about 44 tokens per second. Yeah, we can basically ask anything. Yeah, around 38 tokens per second. I think that's a really simple way that you can experiment it locally. Alright. So why I think you may wonder you want to experiment with the 3.1, because if you look at the benchmark, it's very impressive. So to compare the Llama 3.1 8 billion model to some of the other state-of-art models like Google's Gemini 2 9B or Mistral's 7B instruct, most of the benchmark, it is one of the best. So the Llama 3.1 8 billion, you definitely need to try it. I hope you enjoy my video. Please subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.